Morning, John. Morning, John. Hey, almost late today.
Good to see you both.
Mayonnaise begins on farms. One of its main ingredients, vegetable oil, comes from sunflower seeds grown in large agricultural fields.
After harvesting, sunflower seeds are collected and prepared for further processing.
Some mayonnaise producers use soybean oil instead. Soybeans are grown and harvested in a similar large-scale farming process. Egg yolk gives mayonnaise its creamy texture. These eggs come from poultry farms that supply millions of eggs each day.
The eggs are collected automatically to maintain hygiene and reduce human contact.
Vinegar starts with natural ingredients like apples, which will later be fermented to create acidity.
These ingredients are crushed and prepared for fermentation, the process that turns sugars into vinegar.
Salt is added for flavor and preservation. It is harvested from salt fields or mines and later refined.
A small amount of sugar balances the flavor. Sugar comes from sugarcane or sugar beet farms.
From farms and natural sources, these ingredients now moved.
After harvesting, sunflower seeds are transported to oil extraction plants, where industrial processing begins.
Before oil extraction, the seeds are cleaned and sorted to remove dirt, stones, and damaged seeds.
The clean seeds are crushed and pressed under high pressure to release raw vegetable oil.
The extracted oil is filtered to remove solid residues before refining.
Refining removes odor, color, and unwanted flavors, producing a neutral oil ideal for mayonnaise.
Meanwhile, eggs from poultry farms arrive at specialized egg processing facilities.
Machines crack the eggs and separate the yolks, which are essential for making mayonnaise.
The egg yolk is pasteurized to kill harmful bacteria while keeping its natural properties.
Vinegar is produced through controlled fermentation, where natural sugars turn into acid over time.
After fermentation, vinegar is filtered to remove solids and ensure clarity and consistency. Each batch of vinegar is tested to ensure the correct acidity for flavor balance. Salt is refined to remove impurities and ground into fine food-grade crystals. Sugar is refined to achieve uniform crystal size and purity before food use. All processed ingredients are packed in sealed, food-grade containers to maintain freshness.
Liquid ingredients like oil, egg yolk, and vinegar are loaded into food-grade tankers for transport. Dry ingredients are transported separately in sealed containers to prevent contamination.
All ingredients are transported under strict temperature and hygiene controls.
Upon arrival, ingredients are unloaded at the factory's receiving docks. Before entering production, every shipment is inspected to ensure quality and safety standards are met.
Inside the factory, refined vegetable oil is stored in large food-grade silos under controlled conditions.
Pasteurized egg yolk is kept in chilled tanks to maintain freshness and safety.
Vinegar and other liquid ingredients are stored separately for precise dosing.
Dry ingredients, such as salt and sugar, are stored in moisture-free silos.
Every mayonnaise brand follows a precise recipe controlled by automated systems.
Each ingredient is weighed with high accuracy to maintain consistent taste and texture.
Measured ingredients are transferred through sealed pipelines to the mixing tanks. Before production starts, mixing tanks are fully sanitized to prevent contamination.
Once cleaned, the mixing tank is prepared for mayonnaise production.
With everything in place, the mayonnaise production process officially begins.
Mayonnaise production starts by combining egg yolk, vinegar, salt, and sugar to create a base mixture.
The base is mixed at a slow speed to evenly distribute all ingredients.
A high-shear mixer breaks oil into tiny droplets, allowing it to combine with the egg yolk. This process creates an emulsion in ghee, the key scientific principle behind mayonnaise. As more oil is added, the mixture thickens and becomes creamy.
Temperature is carefully controlled to protect texture and flavor.
Viscosity sensors ensure the mayonnaise reaches the correct thickness.
Small adjustments are made to achieve the exact consistency.
At this point, emulsification is complete and the mayonnaise base is fully formed. After emulsification, the mayonnaise is transferred to a pasteurization unit for food safety. The product is gently heated using a heat exchanger to destroy harmful bacteria.
Temperature and holding time are precisely controlled to ensure safety without damaging texture.
Automated sensors continuously monitor the process to maintain food safety standards.
Immediately after heating, the mayonnaise is rapidly cooled to protect quality.
Food-grade stabilizers may be added to maintain thickness and prevent separation.
The mayonnaise is gently blended again to achieve uniform texture. Before packaging, the product undergoes final quality and safety checks.
The finished mayonnaise is stored in sealed tanks until packaging begins.
The finished mayonnaise is transferred from holding tanks to the filling machines. Empty containers are fed into the packaging line in a continuous flow.
Each container is filled with a precise amount to ensure consistent weight and quality.
Air bubbles are removed to improve shelf life and appearance.
Caps are placed automatically to maintain hygiene and speed.
A stable emulsion helps mayonnaise keep its smooth texture over time.
Automated cameras inspect each jar to confirm proper fill level of mayonnaise.
Seals and caps are verified to ensure the mayonnaise remains fresh and airtight. Each jar is weighed to confirm it contains the correct amount of mayonnaise.
Random samples are manually checked to ensure appearance and quality.
Cartons are formed to prepare for bulk packaging.
Finished mayonnaise jars are packed into cartons for transport.
Each carton is sealed to protect the mayonnaise during shipping. Cartons are labeled for identification and logistics tracking.
Cartons are stacked onto pallets for efficient storage and transport.
Wrapped pallets keep mayonnaise products stable and secure.
Finished mayonnaise is stored in a temperature-controlled warehouse.
The mayonnaise is now ready to be shipped to stores and customers.
Packed mayonnaise cartons are loaded onto trucks for nationwide distribution.
Distribution centers receive and store mayonnaise before retail delivery.
Even after reaching stores, careful handling helps preserve product integrity. From warehouses, mayonnaise is delivered to retail stores.
Mayonnaise jars are placed on store shelves, ready for customers.
Proper packaging and controlled processing give mayonnaise a long and stable shelf life.
After passing strict quality controls, the mayonnaise reaches consumers.
At home, mayonnaise is used in sandwiches, salads, and many recipes.
Unopened mayonnaise should be stored in a cool, dry place to maintain quality. Once opened, mayonnaise should be refrigerated to stay fresh and safe.
Using clean utensils and proper storage prevents contamination after opening.
Quality control does not end at the factory. Storage and handling play a key role.
Proper use ensures the product remains enjoyable until the last serving.
After use, packaging can be cleaned and recycled responsibly.
This controlled process ensures safety, consistency, and quality.
This concludes the complete mayonnaise production process.